Vivo en la ausencia del deseo canalla, en la indigencia del garfio y la pata de palo. Y si la vida es un sueño, como dijo algún navegante atribulado, prefiero el trapecio.
So, we're in Madrid. Is there a city we don't go to a chocolatier in though?
6 churros.
6 churros?
Yeah, they're little.
I'm just not getting them.
I don't even know if I want it though.
You want a churro in Madrid?
No, I don't want hot chocolate.
This is the best. This is the best hot chocolate in Madrid, which is why we're here. And how do you not want it?
I'm serious.
Okay, so just to clarify, when the Spanish say hot chocolate, they actually physically mean chocolate that is hot, which I am very much okay with. Yeah, send it. At the Palace of Madrid right now, and wow, I love the color of this building. Gray is like one of my oh wait, another street performer. 1 second. Dang, he was so good. That was so impressive. I have trouble doing that at the dinner table during Thanksgiving. Man, that was crazy. But as I was saying, this place is beautiful. Never leave your camera unattended. Man, look at that courtyard. Holy cow. Ah, sweet, you can go inside. Oh my gosh. Look at this door. Holy cow. What? How do you... Like... Oh my goodness. Mackinac. That was probably, actually I'm not gonna say it's the most beautiful cathedral I've been in. I would say it's tied with the most beautiful cathedral I've been in. The one in Milan was definitely my favorite so far, but I'd say that that cathedral is probably tied on beauty. I mean, the Milan cathedral is a heck of a lot bigger, which I really like. I love massive buildings, but yeah, on the beauty scale, wow, that. There's only one thing this line can be for. Tacos! This is one of the hottest spots to get tacos in Madrid. I've heard that it's worth the wait. I mean, it's Spain. You can't not get tacos in Spain. It's tacos. Tres pastor, uno cochinita pibil, tres tinga de pollo, and dos papa chorizo queso. Wait, and dos sol, please.
Tres pastor, uno de cochinita, tres tingas de pollo, dos de papa chorizo y queso y dos sol. 13.
Bueno.
Doesn't check. Did you get it?
I haven't had tacos in like 4 months. Oh, I needed this.
I'm literally. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. This is probably the best taco I've ever had. Sorry, Michael,
Probably.
but
Easily.
the taco shells are so good. And we've made homemade taco shells before, but oh my god. Oh.
Really excited.
Okay, that was probably the best meal we've had since being in Europe. And we've had gyros in Greece, sausages in Austria, pizza and pasta in Italy, but oh my gosh, they were so good. And yeah, that might be a little biased because I love tacos, like so much. But we've made homemade tacos with homemade corn tortillas, homemade mango salsa and regular salsa, spicy salsa. Like we just make everything from scratch. And those tacos honestly were better. I feel bad to say that because my cousin and my brother, they're like the two big chefs that make the amazing tacos. I mean, I help out a lot too, but they're like the inspiration. And sorry guys, but oh my god. Good morning. Just kidding. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. And no, that's not because we're lazy and we slept in. At least it's not entirely because of that. We wanted to start the day off later on today because we wanted to get kind of a taste of the nightlife of Madrid. We're not going to any like clubs or bars or anything. We're just gonna be out at night. Holy cow, it's bright. That's okay. We don't really have much to do today, so.
No, we wanted to see nightlife.
Oh, I already said that. But that's okay. We don't really have that much to do today. Look, palm trees. Huh. Right now we are at this place called Temple de Bod. Temple of what? Temple of Bod? What?
Temple of Bob.
Temple of Bob?
D-Bod.
Temple de Bod.
The Bod.
Temple of the Bod.
Temple of D-Bod.
Temple of the Spanish Bod. And it's the only Egyptian temple in Madrid. It's not really that luxurious or anything, but man, look at this view. That cathedral right over there, that's where we were yesterday.
Now we're going shopping.
Shopping?
Shopping. But we're not gonna buy anything because we're broke.
True story. So we're getting tacos again. And I know, we're in Madrid for 2 days, get something else, try other local food, but tacos. 4 de pastor.
4 de pastor,
4 suadero.
4 sudadero,
2 arracheras.
2 arracheras.
Just, that's it.
Yes.
Gracias.
Holy crap, that's a lot of tacos.
Oh yeah. No regrets. Not even one letter. Not even one.
You have no regrets?
Dad?
No. Like not even a single letter?
No way, not me.
Well, I love them.
I am so very sorry for not posting something for so long. It's been like, what, I don't know. I don't even know how long it's been once I post this video. It's probably been about 2 months. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing this, but I have some explaining to do. I'll try to make this quick because I've done this like the last 4 videos pretty much, but this one has a lot to sum up. Well, first of all, I look like this now. I have much longer hair and kind of a beard, and they look like a little bit homeless, you know. Secondly, you probably noticed, but I'm filming on a new camera. I'm not gonna get into that right now. Long story short, I just don't have my GoPro right now, but I'll explain this in a future video. I explained in my Milan video way back that I was gonna do videos when I got home, and I mean, I haven't done that yet, but after I'm done these, I will get to that. They'll be done on this camera, and it's a much better camera, but anyways, doesn't matter. The quality doesn't look that great right now because I had to up-res it from 1080p to 2.7K because that's what I shot my GoPro in, and this only does 1080p, but it's a much better camera, trust me. And finally, the reason I haven't posted in so freaking long is because once I got home in December, yes, I'm home now, it's pretty obvious. My trip was only 3 months and we left in the end of September, so I'm home. But once I got home at the beginning of December, I had a lot of time to put towards editing, and that's when I was putting out vlogs every 2 or 3 days for like a couple weeks. Then Christmas rolled around and I got super jam-packed, and that's when I started slowing down. And then after Christmas, that's when I started working way more, and I started a couple courses, and I got back into my life here, like doing climbing and Muay Thai and all the things that I do. And I thought that I'd be able to balance that as well as editing. Jeez, the sun it's where you're right in front of a window, and the sun is just not my friend today. Sorry about that. And I thought I could balance my work life and school life and normal life with editing, and I really couldn't. What I didn't realize is that to put out vlogs as consistently as I was, I had to put like 6 or 7 hours in a day, and I did not have that much time in my day once I started everything. So what I decided to do was completely focus on the math course that I started taking and just hammer it out. The sun is like dancing between a cloud. There. Okay. So yeah, I just decided to completely focus on the math course that I was doing, and then right after that, edit all of the rest of my vlogs. So yes, all of them are done. And here's where I interrupt. First of all, I actually look like this now. I filmed what you guys just watched about 6 months ago, and I haven't gotten a haircut since, actually I haven't got a haircut since the beginning of my trip. I got a cut right before we left, and since then I've only evened it out so that it would grow properly, but I haven't shortened it. I kind of like maintained my beard and trimmed it and stuff so that it wouldn't grow all patchy and look over. It doesn't matter. Point is, I'm much furrier and much more homeless looking. Anyways, what I wanted to say is, sadly, I don't actually have the rest of my videos done. My plan was to finish all of them and then post this one, and then post them consecutively like every 2 days or so, but I never actually ended up finishing them. I do, however, have 6 done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post those 6 over the course of the next couple weeks. The reason why I'm not gonna finish the rest of them is because I've actually run out of time. What I mean by that is I'm actually going on my next great adventure, and I'm gonna be gone for 4 months in 11 days. So I figured just post the ones you have done and don't wait another 4 months to post these when they're sitting there on your computer already done. I'm really sorry for all those who are actually consistently keeping up and watching my videos. I didn't put enough time aside for these, and my life just caught up with me, and I don't really have a great excuse. I just didn't put enough time into it. Anyways, for all those who are interested, my next great adventure, I'm going on a missions trip to Papua New Guinea. I'm gonna be a deckhand on a YY medical ship off the coast of Papua New Guinea, and we're gonna be bringing in medical supplies to the Papua New Guineans, as well as a bunch of other really awesome stuff. Chances are I'm not gonna post anything from that, although I am bringing my camera. So who knows? If I find something that I really am passionate about and I want to film and capture, I might actually post something, but don't count on it because apparently I'm a little inconsistent. Anyways, I'm really sorry for just cutting off my videos and not posting anything for 9 months. I wish I could have stayed consistent with it because I'm actually pretty proud of all the videos that I have done. It was a lot of work, and I know it's nothing really that glamorous, but I'm really happy with it. Okay, back to Past Me. So yes, I can actually promise you, this is an internet promise, and we all know internet promises are the most genuine, and they're always kept, right? So an internet promise that I'm going to post consistently the rest of my vlogs. Oops. Anyways, I'm sorry for this long explanation once again, but I really needed to update you guys, and I'm back.